We learned that they are offering eye services like surgical removal of mga cataracts and other procedures. So we are interested because during our mission, we usually do is we just screen. So after that, we refer them to the hospitals. There are still payments and all. Unlike the facilities here, everything is almost free.
Ang hirap sa araw-araw na gawain. Ang hirap, hindi ka kailangan na nag-uutos pa ako. Dati hindi naman.
Kailangan alalayan lagi yung asawa ko nahihirapan din mga anak ko. Hindi din magawa yung mga ibang gawain sa bahay. Ano din akong pilay kasi sa bahay mahirap Hindi na makagawa. Kaya kung ma-opera sana, syempre, laking pagbabago. Hindi ka na mangangapa.
Nakakatuwa na nahubog sila sa bagay na inaasam namin dati na sana lumaki, tumanda sila magkapamilya na hindi lang pamilya nila iniisip kundi pati iba.
To our alumni, I hope we are able to inspire them to help also because I know we have a lot of alumni doctors and we have alumni who are blessed also. So we want to encourage them and to inspire them through our initiatives. No? So we will be able to reach more and serve more people.
You can also give back to Tuti so that in return we could give to others who are mostly in need.